Hello, good morning. Welcome again to my backyard. This will be a video concerning the manual alphabet. It's what you use for fingerspelling in ASL. Fingerspelling is pretty important, so the quicker you learn the alphabet, the quicker you can understand and get to fingerspelling. This is the sign for fingerspelling. You just fingerspelling. Let's begin. A is your fist with your thumb. A. B, kind of like B. C. Okay, looks like a C. You're pointing it outward. D is one thumb up and the rest. Can you kind of see the ball and stick? D. E. Sometimes you'll see it like this. But this is a little more comfortable when you're fingerspelling. E. F. 3 fingers up, like you're pinching. F. G is kind of like a pinch. G. H. Like this. It lays down. H. I. Little finger is extended up. I. J is drawn in the air with your I hand. J. And you just move your wrist. So it's this kind of move. So J. And it just goes down and curls, and that's it. J. K looks like a V. Sorry. V, but your thumb is up in the center of them. It's one of the harder ones. This is a K. And if you look at it, you can kind of see a K. K. Remember this shape because you'll use it later. K. L. Looks like an L. M. Like 3 humps when you're doing cursive for an M. 3 fingers. And your thumb sticks out as far as it can. It's kind of hard. You see it in books like this with your fingers down. But for fingerspelling, for speed, you tend to leave them a little extended. The same with N. N in cursive has 2 humps, so you can remember that for N. 2 fingers with the thumb extended there between all of them. These 2 are down and these 2 are kind of up. You see how it just rests like that? N. O. Basically makes an O. Put the fingertips of all on your thumbs. And you want it kind of curled. This is a hand shape you use sometimes, but it's not really an O. You want it looking like an O. O. Now remember the case shape? The V with the thumb in the middle? Well, that's what a P is, only it's dropped. And all you do is just bend your wrist down. P. And a Q is like a G, only the same thing. You just drop your wrist down. Q. R. R. S is a fist with your thumb in the front. They need to see your thumb in front. S. T is 1 finger with your thumb. Okay? T. U. 2 fingers together, because this is a V. 2 fingers together. U. V. W. Everybody goes up and makes a 3 like this. But this is a W, and your thumb goes over your little finger, it's not a 6. This is 6 or 16, remember? So your thumb goes over your little finger like this, and it's kind of flat. It's not so much like this. It's kind of flat. Kind of like, is that a Boy Scout salute? But they're open. See, it looks like a W. W. X is like the S, only you lift your curled index finger. X. Can you see that? It starts at, it's almost an S, but you lift this up. Everything else is the same. X. Y. Looks kind of like a Y. Little finger and your thumb are extended. Y. And Z is drawn with your index finger. Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Practice that a lot. You'll start finger spelling. See if you can finger spell some small words like at, fox, boy, girl.